The following tutorial was written by Littleview's artist-in-chief, Karen Little, a technical writer by profession, and an artist by design. Her tips and techniques on how to pose your pet for hand-drawn portraits follow. Drawn or painted portraits usually depict the head and possibly shoulders of a person. Pet portraits are similarly captured, but there are more considerations than what you see on a photo. Your snapshots contain a lot of interesting information, but the artist who will use that photo probably evaluates it differently than you do. An artist, like myself, wants to emphasize the essence of your pet, not the room it is in. This means you can take reference photos anywhere as long as you take care to capture your pet's face and eyes. To succeed, you need nothing more than a cell phone camera. If your pet is very active, take a video of it prancing around, but make sure that you capture its face and eyes as discussed in the following 10 examples. Stand over your pet. When it looks up at you, take the picture. In this position, it is likely that the image will be compact, and your pet's eyes will be wide open. Very cute. Take the picture at your pet's eye level, with their body directly behind their face. Before shooting, make sure your pet is looking directly at you with eyes wide open. The background is not important, but facial clarity is. Black pets are beautiful, but details are hard to see on a photo. Fortunately, through programs like Photoshop, artists can often lighten a dark image to bring out details. If your pet has expressive eyes, try to capture wistful shots. To do this, shoot from below your pet's head. To generate action, you or an assistant should encourage your pet to look up, possibly by holding a treat over his head. For a pet sketch, the most important part of your photo is your pet's face. Backgrounds will be ignored. Sometimes your pet's body is significantly longer or larger than its head. While sketching the whole animal can result in a beautiful image, if you want a portrait featuring your pet's face, the artist needs to crop the image. Eyes are important, so make sure the artist can see them. While hair curls or floppy fur covering eyes looks cute in a photo, missing eyeballs can create a dead spot in a drawing. Likewise, photos of squinting pets are not particularly suitable as portrait references. Dogs in clothing make for cute photos, but keep in mind that the clothing detracts from your pet's natural look. For portraits, consider taking pictures of your pet in the nude. And finally, everyone who owns multiple pets knows that clear group shots are hard to capture. If you manage to get one, be thankful that you captured a beautiful photo. For a portrait of one or all in the group, poses might have to be edited. Discuss what you'd like to see with your artist so your artist can create suggestions. If you have questions, write to questions@sketchviews.com.